Hi Sanjog. So in this issue, um, okay, so I have set a filter with customer and the task status open and on hold. So and I have a result for that. So now, for example, if I create a new task, where I'm not assigning any customer, no customer assignment, and the assignee I selected is Rose Gardner. So if I create, I'm getting this name highlighted indicating that there is a new task, but based on this message and filter, even if I filter or even if I refresh or collapse or expand this, the task is not going to get listed since it's not matching the filter criteria. So my question is, do we need to highlight teams or employees or pool's name and show that message if the criteria is not matching, such criteria is not matching, or we are going to show this whenever the task is getting assigned to that particular entity, irrespective of whether the filters are matching or not. Yeah, thank you.